So let me give you some life habits and some tips and some items for traveling. Whether it's across town, cross country, by car, train, airplane, or you just need a few things to feel safer at home, which is really smart. So here is Junk in the Trunk. It's your emergency auto kit. So I recommend having this in your vehicle because you never know what's going to happen. Hey, if you've got girls going off to college, make sure they have something like this in there. So, you can set the case down because it's reflective, which is a warning of other vehicles. You also get one of these in it, so you can set that in the road as a warning. And it is just chock full of some really great things. You got jumper cables. As an example, one of those headlights. There is, those reflective blankets, some really fantastic things. There's even a deck of cards in case you're stuck for hours in a traffic jam. So I highly recommend having this in your vehicle. Of course, in your vehicle, once again, I really think that you should have the road trip in your car. So very important, but I've covered that in the live presentation. Okay, so for home or away, I would love to see you with one of the door alarm. It's called the Step Off. This is an alarm that you can put underneath your door, whether it's your hotel room that are not as safe as they would let you believe, or at home underneath your front door, and I'll show you how. So you turn it on, and then if someone tries to sneak in, and they go. You can also suction cup it to a window. So suction cup it to a window, turn it on high, and then when someone tries to jimmy up your window, it's going to set that off. And then and once again, they go. So this is fantastic, especially right now with it getting kind of hot and you want a little bit of ventilation, but you don't have a security system. But oh my goodness, you need some of that cool air. So this is a great way to allow you to open a window when maybe it's not the best of circumstances. I absolutely love our Sassy Spray. This is actually a keep safe. So where do you put your keys at the beach? Because who wants to guard all the stuff at the towel? No way. So stick your credit cards in there, your keys, and then they're much safer sitting when, if everybody wanders off and there's nobody guarding the towel. It's also great when you go through TSA, you can put your defense tools in there. You can also put your jewelry, your cash in there to keep it away from prying eyes, because I know TSA has pulled some stuff out of my suitcase before. So, and you know what one of my favorite uses for this is? If you know of somebody who is in a domestic violence situation, give this to them as a gift. Yes. Then they can start stuffing in documents, birth certificates, insurance, money, things that they're going to need. So when the day comes and they need to run, they can grab it and they have all of those important things that they've already prepared. All right, for a self-defense tool, because I know I've showed you the other stun guns, I absolutely love this stun gun. So here it is. Hope you don't have an animal on your, So see, this one's 16 inches and it also stuns here and here. So if someone tries to take it from you, they've learned their lessons in life. And of course it's got that disable pin on it. So why do I love this length? Oh my goodness. I love this thing when I'm camping because it lights up the path when I'm going to the bathroom at 2 a.m. It's also great for 2- and 4-legged critters. I love these in my car beside the driver's seat, between my seat and the front door. I love this when I have to pop out of my car in the middle of the night to go check my mailbox. So I've got the flashlight and I have the stunning safety. All right, I hope those are things that help you when you're traveling.